morning for Tuesday, November 26th, 2 days before Thanksgiving. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. We're going to look at what we talked about yesterday, talking about AMGEN, AMGN. AMGN, if you recall yesterday, went long this stock at 113.51 as it broke up through this tight little inside vertical bar back in between this gray action zone after having a rather big down day here. On what day was this? This is Thursday of last week. Look at the market came down and took out these lows, couldn't sustain breaking down through those lows. Market reversed, closed right here, created that inside tight little inside bar. Market broke up through it, decided to go long again 113.51 with a rather small stop being right below the low of that inside pattern at 112.15. So not risking a whole lot on here, and we're not looking to make a whole lot, just looking to for the rally right up to that first profit objective of 115.19. 115.19. We got close to it so far today. We have run up to 114.73 so far today. We're at 114.09. So what I'm going to do is, this is going to be pretty much a free trade now. I'm going to move that stop again. It was sitting right in here, right below that low, right at 112.15, right below the low of Friday, which was 112.23. I'm going to take, again, 112.15 is the initial stop. I'm going to go ahead and move that up to 20 cents below today's intraday low. Today's intraday low is 113.85. Going 113.65 right here. Again, pretty much a free trade. Again, holiday week, I don't expect any big movement in either direction. I thought maybe we'd get a pop-up in here, but we'll see. So again, pretty much break-even trade, and if we're able to move a little higher and go to 115.19, look to make a $1.68 on this. So this is pretty much a free trade. This is pretty much all I have going on right now. Let's look at the overall market. We'll look at the E-mini S&P 500. All right, the daily chart of the E-mini S&P 500. Again, this is a big, well, not big, but I mean, look at market starts putting in lower highs and lower lows. That would tell us that the market should continue moving lower. But again, this low right here is somewhat significant. If we break through this low here that was put in place on the 20th of November, the low of 1774.5, roughly about 32 points from the all-time high, we start breaking down through that low. I would then expect the market to try to retest this low, even though if we start breaking down through this low, we'll be at into a support zone, right? The blue action zone. So we're going to look out for that. Take a look at an intraday chart of the E-minis. This is yesterday. Again, the week of Thanksgiving is typically a pretty low volume day. So this was the high yesterday. This is the low for the first, 40 minutes or so. Market consolidated quite a bit. Tried to break up through. Couldn't seem to really break through. And then sold off. Hit a new low, breaking the low of the low of the day there. Rallied up. And so today, today so far, we got a high, and we're coming down. We're trading right down in here. So again, not a whole lot of activity. Don't expect to do a whole lot today. So I would suggest, relaxing with family and just really just getting your thoughts together and getting ready for next week. I think next week will be a very interesting week. Again, this week relatively slow, so I'm not looking to do a whole lot. And I will have a video for you as well tomorrow and see if anything happens, okay? Have a profitable day. Be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.